y'all. I'm driving, but I'm driving safe. I'm gonna play you all something that I made a long time ago, and I never shared it with anybody. I never shared it on Facebook. I never shared it on YouTube, anything. But it's my song, and I wanted to play it for you all. And this is like from way back, but it's still good. It was during a time where I was going through, and I was struggling with my walk with God, and I just was asking to know Him again because I was struggling so bad. So here it goes. Okay, here it goes.
Take me where you are. I wanna know just who you are. 'Cause life often gets in my way, but there's just one thing I want to say. Jesus, help me just to stay.
Lord, help me just stay.
Life often tells me it's my way. There's just one thing I've got to say. I wanna know my God again. 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 When the pressure's